Hello, happy Tuesday. Mrs. Leganke here, checking in. And let's take a look at this week's agenda for English class. So today, Tuesday, we're going to complete slide 3, 6 points for today's work. Tomorrow, you're going to watch a video and complete slides 4 and 5 for 10 points. Thursday, you're going to choose a narrative topic to write about. So you're going to be telling your own story this week and complete slides 6 and 7 for that. And then on Friday, you're going to type a final copy of your story and make sure it's in complete sentences and proofread your work before you submit all of your slides. So let's go ahead and take a look at today. The focus this week is narrative writing. Remember, narrative writing is writing that tells a story. And this week, you're going to get a chance to tell your own story. So here's a look at slide 3. You're going to read the narrative text and respond to each question. So I'm going to take a minute and read through all this with you. Once upon a time, there was a little man who lived in a little house in the woods. The man had a little dog and a little bed that he slept in every night. One night, he made himself a bowl of stew and a nice loaf of bread for dinner. After dinner, he brushed his teeth and went to bed. The end. Author unknown. So let's take a look at the questions here. Did the story have a hook? Did it get your attention right from the start? So do you think that had a hook? We look at the beginning. It started with once upon a time. So you decide, is that a hook? It is. It sounds like an old fairy tale, but I don't know that it really grabs my attention. So you type in 2 sentences about the hook there. I just said, it began with once upon a time. This is not a hook that gets my attention. Okay, the next part. Did the story have a problem or a sense of adventure? Well, he lives in the woods. In a little house, he has a dog, a bed. He makes a bowl of stew, and then he goes to bed after he brushes his teeth. So I wouldn't exactly call this adventure. Maybe just the fact that he lives in the woods is the only thing that could be adventurous or maybe a problem. So you come up with a response there. I just said he lives in the woods, but nothing adventurous happens to him. Maybe he's lonely, but the story just ends. So we really don't know what's going on here, if it's adventurous. Was it a good story? Why or why not? I would say not a good story. Come up with a couple of reasons why. It was just like, there he is, he has dinner, he goes to bed. So you go ahead and fill in a response there, and then you are done for today.